In this video, you'll learn how to earn up to 50% referral commission by getting your friends and family to play a game which is completely free. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to click on the link that's in my video description to register on this website, because I'm paying out everybody 10% of my referral commission. You need to register an account for free. I'm going to log into my account now and I'm going to show you what I mean by just getting people to play for free. When you get people to play this game, you earn 50% of their payout. So if they will win the $200 maximum prize, you're going to win $100 and they'll win $200. So it's an easy way of making money. Let's go through it now and just show how easy it is to play this game. So let's say it just took me 1 second to play this game and I'll receive a notification sound when I'm able to play the game again. There are actually more ways you can earn through this website. Free BTC is 50% of base price. The multiply BTC betting game, or you actually receive 0.4% of wager/bet. Earn BTC, 25% of base daily interest. Token sales, 50% of trade fee. So there's many ways of making a commission through this website. Even if you just want to recommend your friends to have an opportunity of winning free Bitcoin, I think that's fantastic already. And you just need to go to the referral page on the website and share with them your referral link, and that's all you need to do. When you want to withdraw your money from this website, all you need to do is click the withdraw button here. I recommend to use the slow withdrawal, and here you're going to enter your Bitcoin address and how much you want to withdraw.